I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Android Studio and Java. Now start the app wiring. Open your project, confirm the application ID matches the package name you'll use in Firebase, and sync Gradle once. Create a debug signing certificate if you plan to test quickly. Once done, open the Firebase console and choose Add Project. Make sure to disable analytics only if you prefer. You're starting with the accurate identifiers because Firebase links by package name and SHA1, and that prevents later mismatches. Now register the Android app in Firebase, enter the exact package name, and add the SHA1 from your debug or release key store. Once Firebase generates Google services, JSON, download it and drop it into the app/folder. Don't rename it. Then modify project level build. Gradle to include the Google services class path and update app level build. Gradle to apply the plugin and import the Firebase BOM with the dependencies you need. Make sure to sync Gradle. This integrates the SDK into your build pipeline. Finally, initialize Firebase in your application or main activity by calling Firebase app. Initialize app this before using services. This ensures configuration loads early. Then implement a simple sign-in or read/write test for the product you added and run the app on a device. Once running, inspect Logcat for successful initialization messages. If you see errors, recheck Google services. JSON, package name spelling, and SHA1. Troubleshooting tip: clear app data or uninstall before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.